Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you very delicious and tasty Hyderabadi special dessert recipe, which is also known as Hyderabadi Kaddu ke Kheer, which is actually a bottle guard dessert which is going to taste amazing and is one of the famous sweet dish of Hyderabad. So you need to give it a try and serve it for your guest, and they will be so amazed to taste this amazing dessert. So let's get started with the recipe. Here I have taken one large bottle gourd and I have cut them into three pieces so that it becomes easier for me to grate, and I have peeled it and I have grated it. Now in a pot add the grated bottle gourd, and now also add in 1 cup of water. Give it a mix and you need to cover it and cook on low flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. This is the initial step. Until the bottle gourd gets cooked, you can put it on other side of the stove and onto another burner. You can heat another pot, add little bit of water at the bottom so that the milk doesn't burn, and add in 1.5 liters of milk. Now, by continuously stirring it, allow the milk to boil and allow it to simmer on low flame for about 5 minutes. So, here you can see until the milk gets boiled, this bottle gourd is also cooked. Now, put it aside, and here I have soaked basmati rice, which is 1/4 cup in water. Add those into a grinding jar and grind it into a coarse paste. Do not grind it so smooth, it must be little grainy and coarse. Put this also aside, and here you can see I have also soaked half cup of sago pearls, which is also known as sabudana, in water half an hour before. Now add those sago pearls and give it a good mix and cook for about a minute on high flame by continuously stirring it. After a minute, also add in the mixture that we have grinded out of rice or the rice paste and continuously give it a mix. You can even add with one hand and mix with another hand and cook on low to medium flame for about 4 to 5 minutes by occasional stirring. Now, after 4 to 5 minutes, add in the cooked bottle gourd and give it all a good mix and allow it to simmer on low flame by occasional stirring for about 5 minutes. As you can see, the milk has begun to thicken. Now it's time to add in sugar. So here I'm going to add 2.5 cup of sugar. You can adjust the sweetness accordingly and add the sugar according to your taste. Now continuously give it a mix and allow it to cook on low flame. Also add in half teaspoon of elaichi powder or cardamom powder. If you do not like the cardamom flavor, you can even skip that and add in vanilla flavor as well. Here I have taken 500 grams of mawa or khoya, which is also known as dried milk solid. Add that into the milk. I'm just adding in by roughly breaking it into pieces with my hand or just slightly mashing it with the hand. Now give it continuously a mix, and you need to cook until the mawa or the khoya completely dissolves. Now it's time to add in color, that is food edible color. Here I'm going to use green powder color. You can even use gel color or liquid color. Now after adding color, you can allow it to simmer on low flame in order to get desired thickness. You can see our kaddu cake here is just ready. As soon as it gets cool, it gets even more thicker. So this consistency is just perfect. Serve it with few dry fruits garnished on top, also with rose petals. It tastes very delicious when served chilled. Do serve it to your guest. As I have showed you in the beginning, you can even top it with some ice cream or just simply top it with some dry fruits. This goes amazing without any garnishing as well. Do give this recipe a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. And if you find my recipe interesting, do subscribe to my channel for more such amazing recipes. Allah Hafiz.